Greetings, my friends. I'm Andrea, astrologer, and I welcome you to the next weekly update for global astrology, the financial markets between May 19th and May 25th. Here, spring is in full force in Berlin with nice flowers. I will share some images. How is the weather on your side? What can we expect this week? From regulatory optimism to a burst of volatility, high energy conjunctions and bullish sextile model this week for a meaningful and eventful price action, especially in the last part of the week. As always, I invite you to have a look at the last weekend astrology due to the fact that we don't have transaction volume usually on weekends, and this is relevant for Monday and Tuesday. I link it here.
Hello there.
Oh, Greta, you are here. What would you like to share? We'll talk about the global astrology influences on the financial markets in general, affecting crypto as well. I will share a sort of surprise mid video, and for the ones who stay till the end, a highlight of the week for Bitcoin. With the Patreon subscribers, we will go deeper into topics that are specific to the Bitcoin price action as modeled by astrology, ethereum, altcoins, the blue chip ones, and the XAU, which is the gold and silver index. Let's dive into all these. Monday, May 19th, there is no day-level aspect exact in the global astrology, which means that the price action will be shaped by the Bitcoin horoscope. We have hour-by-hour details in our BTC product for the whole week. You can check it out if interested. Tuesday, May 20th. Sun-Saturn sextile shows good news coming from government potentially, and this is a bullish aspect which can contribute to price increases. And now the surprise, a bit of TA for the longer time frame. It's 1 week actually, and this is the chart for Bitcoin. We think that it is possible to have this symmetrical closure, so to speak, to the next at the highest. I mean, the previous one, and maybe we go to the next with high volatility, and this could be possible next week. I filmed this on the 15th of May, and we can have a nice development for the end of the next week. Wednesday, May 21st, we do not have an exact aspect for today in the global astrology. This means that we will have the price action shaped by Bitcoin's horoscope. Thursday, May 22nd, now midweek action begins, and we have an active day throughout the global astrology and the Bitcoin horoscope as well. At global astrology level, we have two bullish aspects on the day. The first one is a Venus-Mars trine, which will bring fuel into the price action, increasing volatility in cryptocurrency and currency market in general. The next one is a Sun-Neptune sextile, which brings optimism and elevated expectations, so the sentiment in the market is good. Friday, May 23rd, the Mercury-Rahu sextile can bring a surge in trading activities, potentially pushing prices higher. It is a highly volatile energy, and usually the peaks registered are not sustainable. Saturday, May 24th, another active day, which is full of volatility, predominantly positive, and it can be felt also one day before in case we do have a significant transaction volume. Since Saturday is a weekend, I'm still cautious with the astrology since the volume on the day is not significant usually. But what can we expect? First of all, we have a trine between Sun and Pluto, which talks about positive regulatory news and is often associated with investments, with big sums of money which come in the areas of ETFs, global Bitcoin adoption internationally. So news of this kind are to be heard, which can push the price further up. On top of this, we do have a Mercury-Uranus conjunction, which is notorious for high volatility, bringing bullish spikes during the day, and as mentioned, it can be materialized either on Friday or on Monday, so watch out for sudden price increases around this date. Sunday, May 25th, there are no exact day level aspects at the global astrology level, and this talks even more on being very cautious and alert about the energy on Saturday, which is very volatile. We could see some first signs of it on Sunday in the evening, UTC the latest, I would say. And now it's time for the highlight, and this is directly from the Bitcoin horoscope. It is an aspect that is exact on Monday, and it is a long-term aspect. It's a Saturn-Jupiter sextile in the BTC chart, which talks about a steady and stable increase of the market cap throughout the next month for BTC, and this starts now. So it's an important milestone further on Bitcoin's development and international reach, and I think this is very interesting. I want to thank you for your time, for your attention, for liking and subscribing. It helps the channel. I am very grateful for that, and I wish you a successful week. Until next time, be joyful.